I'll guide you through completely purging your credit card details from browsers, cloud accounts, express checkout networks, and online merchants, so you can stop autofill prompts and protect your financial privacy. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Simply deleting a credit card from one shopping site or browser does not remove it from the internet. Your card details are typically stored across 4 distinct layers: browser autofill vaults, central cloud payment hubs, express checkout networks, and merchant payment profiles. To remove your card from all websites, you must clear it from each of these systems. Let's start with removing cards from browser autofill and cloud hubs. To prevent your web browser from saving or autofilling your payment details on Google Chrome and Google account, open Chrome Settings, select Autofill and Passwords and tap Payment Methods. Toggle off Save and Fill Payment Methods, then delete your saved cards. If a card indicates it is saved in your Google account, head to payments.google.com, sign in, and remove it from your central Google Wallet profile. For Apple Safari and Apple ID users, on an iPhone or Mac, open System Settings, select Safari, tap Autofill, and choose Saved Credit Cards to delete stored entries. To remove it from your Apple ID, go to Settings, tap your name at the top, select Payment and Shipping, and remove the card. To shop online safely without exposing your real credit card details in the future, use virtual credit cards offered by major banks or third-party services. These create unique burner card numbers with custom spending limits that automatically self-destruct or lock to a single merchant. Store necessary payment credentials inside an encrypted password manager rather than relying on unencrypted browser autofill vaults. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.